Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get moving wallpapers on your iPhone iOS 26. So basically iPhone has now launched their latest iOS version, iOS 26. So if you want to get moving wallpapers on that latest iOS 26, how you can get that. So this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings, you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply first of all get that moving wallpaper so that you can set it on your iPhone screen. So the first option is that you have to simply open the App Store here, and you have to simply search for the live wallpaper option, and you have to simply search for live wallpapers for iPhone, and you will get an app which will provide you live wallpapers. But if you want to download it instead of the App Store, then you have to simply open the TikTok here, and in TikTok you can simply search for the live wallpapers here, and you have to simply search for live wallpaper 4K, and after that you will get this kind of wallpapers. So if you want to save it, then you have to simply click on that share button, and after that you have to simply click on that live photo option, and that photo will be saved to your iPhone photos, and you have to simply go to that. As you can see, here is that option available. You can simply see that moving wallpaper, that wallpaper is moving. Now if you want to set that moving wallpaper on your iPhone, then you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to wallpaper, and after that you have to click on add new wallpaper, and you have to simply click on live photo, and after that you have to simply search for that photo which you have recently download and install. So you have to simply look for that live wallpaper. So here you can simply find it, and after that you can simply add it as live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe.